Once you become clear on what you would like to do, you will actually work less. Think about that. Di ba ang sarap ng feeling, oh man, finally, work less ang pag-uusapan namin. Right? You will actually work less because you are clear. It's easy to say no. Opportunities, it's easy to say no. Because I'm clear I would like to accomplish. If your goal is to be like the Gary Vaynerchuk of the Philippines, then you know what to do. So whatever your goal is, it's easy to say no. Remember, the business is a game, but it's not a guessing game. Business is a game. The way I see it is a game. There will always be competition. Sa bawat negosyo po mayroong competition. Kung sa business mo ngayon walang competition, it's just a matter of time. Competition will show up. But, even if it's a game, it doesn't mean it's a guessing game. Ano ibig sabihin ng guessing game, Sir John? Huhulaan mo kung kikita ka o hindi. Di ba ang hirap doon? The reason that for most of you are still employed and not an entrepreneur because you don't want to feel that security. Sir John, hindi ko alam kasi kung may kikitain kami sa kinsenas katapusan eh. That is a problem. You're in a guessing game. But if you know you're tracking, and later on I'm going to show you very specific numbers. Again, the goal is to have freedom. It's not just to make more money. Making more money is just like a gas for your vehicle. It's only helped you to reach the destination, but making more money is not the destination, but to have freedom. Freedom of time, right? Freedom of opportunities, freedom of money, and freedom of relationships. One of the things that I learned in life is once you have that freedom, relationship is also so much better. I don't know, it comes with the age. But I don't know, I just feel na minsan may mga kamag-anak ka na, hindi ko pala sila gustong makita. No offense. Alam niyo yun? And yet may mga tao ka naman na gusto mo silang laging kasama. Gusto mo laging kausap. You learn all those things. Freedom of relationships is also meaning you get a chance to be mentored by a successful coach. Like I mentioned earlier, I spent about ₱1 million to get mentored by this very successful entrepreneur. Freedom of relationships is also peaking. One of the challenges of being an employee is working with a not so nice boss or office mates. You guys agree? Pag employee ka, wala ka kasing freedom eh. Much. Hinire yun eh. Anong gagawin mo? Boss mo yan, alang i-fire mo yung boss mo. Parang mali. But if you're an entrepreneur, you have freedom of relationships. I choose the client that I work with. If I feel that a client or customer is misbehaving, we fire them. Kaya huwag kaya mag-misbehave. Biro lang. But that's really it. Meron ba ritong freelancers who do freelancing job with clients? Anyone here? Taas ang kamay. You know what I mean, yung mga pain in the neck na client, right? But if you have so much client, it's easy to fire them. Pero pagka limitado yung client mo, kahit na super demanding, late pa yung bayad, you're gonna accept it. So yun yung sinasabi kong freedom of relationships. Wala kang freedom of relationships. But if you are successful, leads, customers, clients come to you, you have freedom of relationships. Kaya na naman nagiging mahirap ang pagiging empleyado. All those kind of stuff eh. Right? Stress ka na sa bahay, stress ka pa sa trabaho. Napapanaginipan mo na yung stress. Ganun ka ka-stress, right?
Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.